Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today we are gonna take my E36 and we're gonna take it for a quick spin. Just a little tour so you can see what it's like driving my car. And I'm gonna talk to you about some things just to keep it entertaining while driving. So I found this nice little quiet road. So right now it is about, if you can see it, about 7 in the morning. So I decided to take this early because there's not much traffic right now and we can basically send it. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's put on the GoPro and we can get started. So this is the car, BMW E36 Coupe, style 24 wheels, all M package, around angel eyes, GT lip, AP coilovers, some fancy Hot Boy Nürburgring sticker, and as you can see we got the Vader interior. So Alcantara side, M cloth, I don't know the exact name, but yeah, it's incredible. So we are gonna take this car for a ride and you can see what it's like driving. Let's open the rear window so you can get a little bit more sound in. Crazy how much fun this car is. So I think I haven't made a proper introduction to who I am on this channel. So I'm Che, some people call me TJ because they can't pronounce my name, and I own this E36 323i Coupe, and it's about 1.5 years that I own it, so not very long but a decent amount of time. And the first thing we did was respray the car because it had rust everywhere. So that was more a maintenance thing, and because now it looks way better than before. But that's what we did the first year of modding. It's not really modding, but yeah, it still costs a lot of money, so I call it modding. And this year we started with more performance based. So the coilovers was first, and then second, third, I'm gonna let you know. But the coilovers made a huge difference. Like the car is way more stiff. And you can really feel what the car is doing more. So that's a big improvement to what it was before. So for this year I have a lot of events planned. Mostly Nürburgring. I want to do a track day on Zolder with some friends, so that will be fun. And just regular car meets are also fun to attend and see what's going on. But right now the season hasn't really started yet, so I have to do it with me driving. it's weird, but how warmer my car gets, the louder it gets and start drowning it. So it starts droning and burbling and everything. So right now the car is not cold, but I haven't been driving it for 50 kilometers or something, so it's not that loud. But I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but it sounds pretty good. I hope the sun doesn't blind your eyes. So we are driving to a twisty road, as twisty as you can get it in the Netherlands, because everything's flat here. So that's yeah, you can go fast in a straight line here. So if you're more of a Golf R type of guy, you can get pretty nasty in here, but so far there hasn't been much traffic, so maybe because it's a Saturday people still need to go to work, but not really. Free, let's go. Woo. Have to be a bit careful here. Just amazed me, but right now I'm gonna do some it's not jump. Oh, tractor, sad. That's a fun corner. I'm gonna leave way too much tire behind there, but that's alright. bump. It's a bit bumpy, but still, we got some corners. Blind, so I have to take it careful. Corner. Nobody here. Did you see that man looking? He had like an open mouth, open eyes. I wonder what he was thinking. Probably this E36 is making some mad skits. Or this guy's a fucking moron. One of the two. It's either very positive or very negative. But yeah. So I just finished the driving, which was a lot of fun. I'm not really home, but I'm standing where we started, and I want to thank you guys for watching the video. It really means a lot when you're watching the video and leaving a like, leaving a comment, and makes it a lot of fun doing this. So for the future, we're gonna see how long everything will stay closed, but when everything opens, we are gonna do a lot of fun stuff, and I hope you guys enjoy and gonna enjoy, and all the things I have planned and with friends. So that's gonna be loads of fun. I'm saying that all the time, but it is. But we'll just have to wait, which, I don't know, makes you appreciate it more when you have to wait longer for it. I don't know, but yeah, I'll thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.